Fixing paper jams for HP Envy 6000, Envy Pro 6400, DeskJet Plus Ink Advantage 6000 and 6400 printer series. If you're in the middle of a print job and your printer stops feeding pages or a paper jam error displays, follow these steps to clear the paper jam. First, check for jammed paper in the printer. Push in the output tray and lift the ink cartridge access door by using the recessed areas on the sides of the printer until the lid locks into place. Wait until the cartridge is idle and silent, then disconnect the power cord while the printer is still turned on. Move the print carriage all the way from one side to the other and remove any paper or objects which may be stuck in the ink cartridge access area. Carefully remove any jammed paper you find. Locate the paper path cover and pinch both tabs together to lift it out of your printer. Remove any jammed paper you can see by pulling it out carefully but firmly with both hands. Next, lift the flip gate on the duplex rollers and check for any more jammed paper. With all jammed paper removed, lower the flip gate back down, reinsert the paper path cover, and close the ink cartridge access door. Pull out the input tray and remove any paper still in it. Use a flashlight to look inside the input area and remove any jammed paper or other objects that shouldn't be there. Put one hand on top of the printer to steady it and turn it on its side to access the clean-out area underneath. Carefully remove any objects that shouldn't be there or any jammed paper using both hands. Check for any torn paper in the paper pick rollers and remove it. Carefully turn the printer upright again. Now reload paper, adjust the paper guides, and close the input tray. Open the ink cartridge access door and remove any loose objects that might have shifted when you turned the printer over. Then close it again. If the error persists, clean the paper feed rollers. Dust, paper fibers, and other small bits of debris can cause paper jams and errors. For this step, you will need a clean, lint-free cloth and distilled water. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer and unplug the cord from the power source. Lift the ink cartridge access door using the recessed areas on the side until the lid locks into place. Remove the paper path cover by pinching the tabs together and lifting it out of the printer. Dampen a clean, lint-free cloth with the distilled water and squeeze to remove excess water. Press the cloth against the rollers and gently rotate the rollers upward with your fingers to remove dust and dirt, then leave them to dry for 10 minutes. Then replace the paper path cover and close the ink cartridge access door. Now clean the rollers under the printer. Secure the printer and scanner lid by placing your hand on top of the printer before turning it on its side. Open the input tray to expose the paper roller underneath. Using the same method with the damp, clean cloth, rotate the roller to clean it, then allow it to dry. Close the input tray and carefully turn the printer upright again. Plug the power cord back into the printer, and the printer will automatically power on. If the issue persists, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.